I'm Seth Grenell from Grenell's Driving School, and today we want to speak about distracted driving. What is it? It is having your focus removed from the driving task ahead. And there are various kinds of distractions. You have visual distractions where your eyes are no longer on the road. You have physical distractions where your hands are not on the steering wheel. And you have mental distraction where your mind is no longer on driving. Now, some of us might already know what's the number one thing that distracts us on the road? The cell phone. Texting while driving, talking on the phone while driving, even if it is Bluetooth or handheld, can be a great distraction. Because once our mind is removed from what's happening, then we're likely to not be as focused while driving. Now, I've seen people having the steering wheel propped in between their legs and sending full-on messages. That can't be safe. One of the things that we do while we're texting and driving is that we assume that the road environment is not going to change, that the traffic situation is not going to change, and it happens within a split second. A car that was in front of you moving can stop suddenly, and because you're on your phone, you can't see that you now need to apply the brake. Distractions while driving is a no-no. Even real estate, you have people who are driving and looking through the window, looking and saying, boy, I like the house there. I wish I could have lived here, so what color paint is that? And they are not aware of what's happening in front of them. I can add this to it too. I know some people that when they're at the traffic light, the red light, they say, okay, I can now send my text message. But you're also not aware of what's happening around you. Safety. Elements that are unsavory might find you an easy target because you don't see what's happening. So, when we're driving, let us be 100% focused on the task of driving. No cell phones, no physical distractions, no mental distractions, and no visual distractions. Full focus on the driving task at hand.